All fix. You're a master fixer-upper. Run! Do the colors ever come back? Huh? Do what colors do what? The ending of your book is missing. Missing? I guess the ending must have fallen out. If it was a windy day, maybe the missing pages flew away. Let's look for that missing page. Nothing over here. Sorry. The missing page. Can you tell us the happy ending now, Anna? Please. As the sleeping sun was setting, it turned red. Then, one single flower looked at the sun, and it turned red too. What about the other flowers? I think another page is missing. Ron, you must have read the whole story. How does it end? Well, I was a little like the sleepy sun and took a nap before I got to the end of the story. We already found one page. Now let's find another. Hey! Hurry, Frogger! You did it! Yeah. Huh? The other missing page! It must have been out in the sun for too long. Now the picture's gone. Now we'll never know how the story ends. I know. We can make up the ending of the story ourselves. I know exactly what we can use to help tell our story. Okay, ready. Let's make up the ending.